We're at Hunter's Bend and we are having our stream night. Some of the stations that we're going to have tonight is we have Bebots, we have a bowling multiplication game, we have student-made math games where the students themselves worked either alone or with a group of students to create their own games. We have reading activities, we have engineering activities, lots of math fun. Our book fair is tonight as well.
My favorite thing about Stream Night is hanging out with all my favorite people and hanging out and having the best time ever.
The Math Olympics, you just knock a bunch of pins down and have to answer a bunch of math problems. I especially like the multiplication and division ones. I like how it has like all these different things you can do in all the different categories, and it's fun to sort of explore.
I created my own game for Stream Night.
I did go to the book fair and that was my favorite thing. We're in the art room painting with all sort of stuff like Legos. We've been painting with utensils and stuff, and even we've been painting with magnets.
This is actually our very first stream night here, so we are hoping that they just have a great time and they use all those skills that we teach them, and we just continue this tradition starting this year.
I hope that the kids, first of all, just have so much fun that they want for us to be able to do this again and for us to expand upon it, and hope that they learn that love for reading, math, science, technology, and know that they can do it with just simple items that they can find around the house.
I've had so much fun at Hunter's Bend for Stream Night.